One of the main reasons I love my Garmin Tactix or Garmin Fenix is that it is independent from my phone. But sometimes, when you want to create an itinerary and go to a very specific place, it might be more handy to use the phone than the watch. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a course, an itinerary, a route, call it as you want, with the Garmin Connect application. So this is the Garmin Connect application, and if you want to use it to create a course, that's the way they called it into the Garmin world, you will need to go into the hamburger menu on the upper left corner, and then select Training, right here, and then Courses. From here you will have the option, as you can see, I already have 4 courses registered into my phone. But I want to create a new course. Then you can select the kind of course you want to do. Are you road cycling, mountain biking, gravel, running, trail running, or other? For the example, I will say road cycling, and then you have 2 options, automatic or custom. Automatic will simply do a loop. Let's do it. Automatic, you can give it a name. So by default, it is cycling August 31. Let's keep it that way. And I set a distance. So let's say I want to do 100 kilometers distance. And I want to go north, south, east, west, or random. So let's say random. Next. And there you will select the point where you will start. It will automatically go where you are. You don't have the arrow of where you are, but that's where I am. I recognize the place. So I'm gonna hit this place and it will calculate my course. So just right there, I said 100 kilometers. I'm not too far. That's 109 kilometers. And I got my itinerary. So that's pretty much that's it. I can simply go from there. I can hit done. And it saved. So if I go back here, well, I got my activity. But now if I want to go to somewhere very specific, I will want to create a course. Again, I will say road cycling, and now I will go into custom. Like that, you will want to select, you will have to press the checkpoint button at the bottom, and then navigate and hit next to choose your starting point. So I'm gonna hit next, and then I'm gonna hit that again. And as you can see now, if I want to go there next, on that road, next, and it create that route. Now if you want to select the kind of route you want to use, you will swipe this up, and here, course type, you got road cycling, gravel, mountain. You can change between any spot. So if I want to use running trail, from here I can select running, and you understand. Yeah, so I will go down here, and then I will zoom out, and let's say that I want to go to Montreal. So I will go to Montreal, that's in that direction. Hit the checkpoint and zoom where I want to go. So let's say that I want to go right there. Gonna hit next. It will calculate my itinerary from there, and there I have it. So at the bottom you can see the distance you will have to travel, the total meter you will have to ascend and descend, and you can also see it on a graph. When you're done, again, you can change the name right here. So I will erase that, and I'm gonna call that one Montreal. So hit done. Whoops, I hit the bottom. Montreal. Done. And then hit save. Do you want to set it public or private? That's as you wish. Hit done, and it's recorded into your phone. Now if you want to send it to your watch, you go at that page, and I'm gonna select Montreal, and then hit the 3 dots at the upper right corner and say send to device. So here, if you have many watch, you will have the option to choose it. Actually, this is the Tactix Delta Solar. So ready to roll, it is already in the watch. So once this is done, I'm gonna go start an activity. So I will use the start stop button and I will go on bike. And before I start the activity, I will press and hold the menu button, go down to navigation. And from there, I'm gonna select courses. And right there, that's my Montreal itinerary. So I'm gonna select this one. It will load into the map. And from here, I will be able to follow that course I've created. So I'm very sure I will pass exactly where I did see it on the screen. Do course. And this is it. I just need to follow that trail. The idea is that when you are creating your route on the phone, if the path doesn't really follow where you want to go, you will need to put some point at a closer distance to not get the automatic calculation of the best route accordingly to Garmin. So yeah, from here to Montreal, that was a pretty big step. So if that doesn't make me pass exactly where I wanted to go, I would have put more points, but that was just an example.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.